Hey guys, this is Miss Hendry. All right, we are going to do our letters and sounds, page 23 and 24. All right, so number 1 says circle the C if the word begins with the same letter as cat. The letter C says k, k, and the word cat has the beginning sound of k, a, t, k, k. All right, so first we see this right here. Let me get my pen ready. We see this right here, a crocodile. Do you hear k, k at the beginning of crocodile? Yes, so we're going to circle the C. All right, the next one is a k, camel. Do you hear k, k? Yes, so we're going to circle the C. Next we have d, og, d. Do you hear k or d? D. We don't want to circle it. All right, next we have a rabbit. Rabbit. Do we circle the k, k sound? Because we don't hear it right. No. All right, next we have a zebra. Zebra. Do you hear the k, k sound? Nah. Last we have a cow. Cow. Yes, I hear the k. All right, next it says fill in the circle under the blend your teacher says. All right, the blend in the green box that I want you to fill in the circle for is ol, la, ol, la, ol, la. Right, I'm going to give you just a minute so that you can go ahead and fill it in, then we're going to check it. All right, it's this one. Ol, la. All right, next on the blue box right here, let's circle, fill in the circle under the blend eh, meh, meh. I'm gonna give you just a second and see, and we're gonna check it and see if you got it right. Meh. All right, this one right here, good for the letter M at the beginning. All right. Ooh, this one's tricky. All right, you're going to circle the fill in the circle in the pink box under the blend that I say out loud. B, I, ba. B, I, ba. Make sure you look carefully. B, I, ba. Right, this one right here. All right, same thing here. Let's look at this yellow box. You have, I want you to fill in the circle under the blend. Eh, heh, eh, heh. All right here. Good. All right, let's look at another seat worksheet, and I'm going to move this. All right, this is this is letters and sounds, page 13 and 14. All right, it says match each picture to the vowel you hear in its name, and then you can color the pictures. All right, so right here we have the vowels. All right, A says ah, E says eh, I says I, O says ah, U says All right, so right here we have a eh, hen, eh, hen. Which one did we hear in the middle? Which vowel sound? Eh. Good. The letter E that says eh, eh, eh. All right, right here is a fish. I, sh, f, I, sh. So which letter says I, I? Good, the letter I. Next we have a cat. A, t, k, a, t. Which letter says a, a? Good. The very top one, the letter A. Next, we have a picture of a duck. D, k, d, k, duck. Which one says the last one. All right, and then the next picture is a picture of a dog. D, g, d, g. Which one says ah? This one. All right. Number 2 says circle the pictures that begin with the t sound. T. All right. This one is a toothbrush. T, toothbrush. Do you hear t? Yes. So I'm going to circle it. Good job. All right. The next one is a wagon. Wagon. Do you hear t? Nah. Next is a ball. Ball. Do you hear t? All right. Next is a tiger. Tiger. Do you hear t? Yes, me too. Good. The next one is a tent. Tent. I hear it. Good. The last one is a doll. Doll. Do you hear t? No, me neither. All right, and then flip it over on the back, and we are almost finished with these 2 sheets. Number 1 says, fill in the circle under the letter that makes the beginning sound. All right, so we have a foot here, but what do we see? We see some toes. 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 So which letter here says t? This one. Very good. Next we have an lamb. Lamb. Which one says Good, this one. Next we have an lake. Lake. Which letter says Very good. This one right here is the picture of a tent. Tent. Which one says t? Good. All right. These are letters. 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 Good. So which one says Very good. This one is a toothbrush. Toothbrush. Which one says t? Good. This one right here. All right. Last, it says fill in the circle beside the vowel you hear in each word. J, e, t. So which letter says eh? Eh? Good. This one right here, the letter E. This is a hat. At. Which letter says ah? Good. The letter A. This is a picture of socks. Ox. Ox. Which one says ah? Good. This one down here. All right. This is a picture of a bus. S. Which one says This one. Bye, guys. Sorry this was a little long, but I wanted to get 2 of our worksheets done in one video today. Bye, guys.